Well guys, another short video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. This time a little mishap on the part of the jet ski, but I'm just gonna say that it's getting ridiculous with all these jet ski companies renting jet skis to people that don't even know how to use them. And this is basically what's gonna happen. One day some guy's gonna get run over by a big yacht and the show will be over. So I don't know, I think I've been seeing this type of things lately, and it doesn't look good if they don't do something about that. But anyways, I want to thank all the subscribers and everybody that I have left comments on the comments, and I just want to say thanks, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.